Strongbow hard cider. It comes in a 5.0. Comes from the UK. Let me make sure of that. Yeah, Hereford, UK. Anyway, from the Bulmer company. So, all right, Strongbow. All right, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy. Of course, it's one of those holiday type drinks, or hard cider. Of course, I've been drinking hard cider like crazy, so I'll be glad when this crap's over with. No. Anyway, here is the, which way does it go? Yep, that way. There's the cap. I assume it's a bow, as in archery, right? Cool bow. Bow nose drinking, right? All right, so let's go ahead and pour a little bit in here. I'm not going to pour the whole bottle. I'm just going to pour a little bit up in here for right now. Yep, sure enough, looks like pee. Now let's go ahead and pour more. I'll have some more. Of course, cider has no head whatsoever. Poor thing. Kind of like me lately. Alright, let's see here. There's my apple. Alright, let's go ahead and look at it. Sure enough, it looks like apple juice. Really, really clean though. I mean, it's clear as can be. Not a, no haze in it whatsoever. Alright, let's go ahead and smell it. Yeah, it smells like apple. You know, though, it smells like the, it's kind of weird you can pick out the different apple, but it smells like the Red Delicious as opposed to like a Granny Smith or, you know, the real sour type. It actually smells like a big, huge red apple. Alright, let's go ahead and drink some of this. Ooh, that's pretty good. Yeah, of course it's apple, you know, it's hard cider. I mean, it actually feels, I don't want to say feel alcohol, but it's a little harder than the others, even though they're all, everyone I've had so far has been 5%. This one seems like there's a little more to it. Maybe it's because the UK, maybe they know how to do it. Us Americans, we don't know how to do our apple cider. Ah, not too bad. Strongbow from the UK, from Bulmer, what is it? Bulmer, I'm sorry, Bulmer Limited, from the UK. Not too shabby.